Thank you for joining us in celebrating the diverse culture of Oklahomans. This video is part of a series focused on cultural heritage. We want to thank all of our community members who shared their cultures with us. Visit Pioneer Library's YouTube channel for more videos like this.
Hi, my name is Tony. I was born in Kenya and I lived there until I was 12. And I will show you how to make a Kenyan food called ugali. We're gonna use some corn grits or polenta. So ugali is a staple in Kenyan food. Corn or maize is the main ingredient in ugali. That was introduced by Portuguese traders in the early 19th century. It's basically like a cornmeal porridge. So first things first, we'll take 2 cups of water and add some salt and bring that water to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we'll take 1.5 cups of the polenta and add it to the boiling water slowly as we stir with our wooden spoon. And add the polenta as slow as we can and so that it can be evenly distributed. As the ugali begins to thicken, we reduce the heat to medium. Continue to stir with our wooden spoon every minute or so. Watch the ugali as it starts to coalesce together. Finally, when the ugali is thick enough, we can shape it in whatever style we'd like, and it's ready to serve. You can have ugali with all sorts of things, like meats or stews, or even some veggies of your choosing. So this is ugali, and we just cut it like a cake. Prepare it with your favorite veggies.